Alright guys, thank you so much for everything. Alright, yes guys. So let's do a review on a food item, okay? So, my wontons. My wontons guys. I cook delicious wontons guys. My wontons are delicious, alright? Now you've tried wontons in restaurants, I'm sure, and you've loved them. Chinese restaurants or different restaurants that sell dumplings, right? And I love them, right? They're so tasty, they're so good, right? When I make my wontons, I've actually sold them sometimes, that I've made, the ones that I've made, and I also know that the recipe is so good I can sell it to a superstore, the recipe to a superstore like a Loblaws or like a Sobeys or whatever. I can sell the recipe, I know, because it's like so tasty. But like I used to cook for my coworkers and I would just cook for my coworkers and it was nice. But the other thing too I love about them is they're so tasty, they're just so good. And the only problem with them is that when I make them, I'm making them and I eat so much of it that I gain so much weight, so I never make them. But they're really good guys to look. And I can sell the recipe. Marco really did it. Yes, really did it.